I was sent this in exchange for my honest review. This is the storage shelf. I've laid out all of the pieces, so it comes with gloves and the instructions, and then all of the shelving pieces here. We're going to put these all together. Okay, we're gonna take this piece and a little end cap and press that in, like so. And if it doesn't go in all the way, you can use the mallet to make it go in all the way. We're gonna do it on all four. So now that we have the end cap in here, we're going to place the shorter piece into the side. Start at the top, make sure they're both inside, and then press down. And if you need to, you can use the mallet to press it all the way down. And now we're gonna take the longer piece and put it on the other side. Make sure they are in both of the holes and then press down. And then we're gonna do that with the other pieces. Okay, all four pieces are connected now, so we're going to add the next shelf. And now we've done the second section, so we will be able to put a shelf on top of those. Now we're going to take the connector pieces and put them in each corner. So we're going to just press those in and do it on all four sides. Now we're going to take the next piece and put it into the connector on top, and we will do that on all four corners. We got the frame all put together, so we are going to put the shelves on and then put the end caps in the top. I'm going to slide all of these shelves in here, and this is 19.7 deep, 47.2 wide, and 72 inches high. I got all of the shelves in. Now we're going to put the end caps on the top here. So we're just going to slide them down in like so, and do that on all four corners. Here it is all finished. It looks great. This has a really large capacity design, so you can stick a lot of items on here, whether they are heavy or light. This is really sturdy and durable. It's made of really high quality materials, so you can put really heavy items on here. I love that the shelves are adjustable, so they can go higher or lower. If I have taller items or shorter items, then I can always adjust those shelves. And this is great for in my garage, but you could also put it in a workshop. You could put it in a retail store or in a shed, wherever you need to. So super nice. I hope this review helps.